Monica, can you scoot out of the way, please? Get on the couch.
No, we don't put this in your mouth when you're dancing.
You gotta put your hand in your pocket.
Hey, why don't you act like you're having fun?
Who?
You.
Yeah, just don't be a stiff. Where'd it go?
What?
Why don't you pretend that you know how to dance?
Because you have me being recorded, and this.
No, I don't. My phone won't record you. I don't have any. I don't have any memory.
That's not exercise. You look like you're playing putt-putt golf.
Your mom's playing putt-putt golf. Oh. What the hell?
Stop! Look what I found.
You are so dumb. Dance.
Dork.
Monica. Go tell Kevin that you're gonna tickle him if he doesn't dance.
I'll tickle you if you don't dance.
Tell him I'm gonna get your tummy.
I'm gonna get your tummy. Then after we will see. I'm not
Get out of here.
Stop around
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm beating you.
Come on.
How do you know?
Can I tell you who you remind me of right now?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Who?
My sister. How's that make you feel? She sits on the couch when she plays Wii.
I'm so bad.
So you kind of actually have to do follow him.
You do. That's the whole purpose of the thing.
Oh no, if you follow the thing, you know what he's about to do next. He's actually probably just watching him.
Yeah.
I haven't even noticed the side of it. I just watch him.
Oh, what'd you do?
Oh, sorry.
And he gets a perfect, and he's not even moving his body. Are you the green one? Monica, get away from the candle.
Daddy is the green one. I'm the orange one. Yes, I'm beating him.
What the hell?
Orange means I'm beaten. Orange side means I'm beaten.
Are you being shy, Kevin? I'm going to put this on Facebook just so you know.
Sorry again.